Automatic buy sell call generator. In this chart automatically you will get calls. Likewise yesterday a buy call started, that bullish momentum followed today. Today after 10:25 am we have received this sell call. So whenever a trend breakout happen, you will get calls like a signal, like a green signal, red signal, like that you will get the calls in this chart. In live market it will analyze the market movement and give calls. Okay, right now today it's a February 23rd Friday market. After 10:25 am we have received this sell call. Sell call came at 4714, that straight white line from red candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 100-point range, second target is more than a 200-point range. So from 47,114 to 46,996. Let's wait and see how it break out the target. Third candle, it gives a 100-point movement, good downside direction. And in fourth candle, it break out the first target range. Like this, in 4 minutes of trading, it break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it.